Good afternoon. I'm Jason Gleason, the CEO and co-founder of Eightwire. 2 years ago, I met Libby Robbins. Libby is a social worker in New Zealand, and for over 50 years, she has been working with families to help bring them out of poverty and to lead a better life. Libby came to us with a problem. She said, Jason, the biggest challenge that we have is that none of the systems that work with our children actually share information. So until we actually have a single view of what's going on in these kids' lives, we'll never actually succeed. That conversation with Libby drove my co-founder and I to use our 40 years of experience to try and solve this problem of data aggregation. Coming out of that, we learned that this is still in 2008, data aggregation is a very difficult issue. Companies are big, massive, complex organizations with teams and networks and platforms, and there's no single way to share information across any of them. So how can Eightwire encourage organizations to aggregate data simply? Well, it's easy. We automate all the work. At Eightwire, what we've done is we have completely rebuilt the way our customers work with information. We've replaced the thousands of hours of work used to bring data together with algorithms that do this for our customers. We've automated error handling so that we can actually fix on-the-fly errors every second for our customers. And we've automated privacy and security by wrapping this entire solution in an automatic security model. After that conversation with Libby, the New Zealand government set up an agency to try and use data to make New Zealanders' lives better. Every month, teams of data scientists are pulling information in from all over the country into one place to analyze and figure out how to deliver better government services. And Eightwire is the platform underpinning this entire initiative. Every month, we move over 3.5 billion records of information across the country. And the value to government is a 300% ROI on every project we're involved in. In financial services, we've moved into, we're now working with AMP, Australia's largest insurer. AMP approached us because they have 9 policy administration systems that they need to integrate into one source of the truth. This is 9 different versions of what their customers are doing. So here's how we did that for AMP in 30% of the time that it would normally take. You simply log into the Eightwire application and begin to create your connection to your system. This is a very simple workflow that can work with anywhere your information is stored. Databases, mainframes, APIs, it's all the same to us. Once that process is complete, this is when our algorithms kick in. We start learning and discovering about your systems and mapping them all to each other. And this is where the savings really start for our customers. Traditionally, this would have been done by hand. Next, you simply select the different sources of information you want to bring together. In this case, it's customer data. And our algorithms know how to do that and map them together. And analysts can go then and add data governance and data provenance and auditing requirements as needed. So we can also meet very strong governance requirements. And it's a very simple drag and drop to add that to your data aggregation. And from there, run the exchange. And what's happening is in a matter of minutes, we've brought in 430,000 records from 2 separate systems on completely different platforms together for our customer. They can now use this to build out analytics, AI, and other innovative solutions. Here in Singapore, the future shouldn't be holding us behind, and we should be looking together at new ways of working. With Eightwire, we're able to do this through automating compliance reporting back to MAS. Other examples for us is we can work with improving the ROI on artificial intelligence beyond what it's already able to do. And as Ravi mentioned this morning, maybe it's a good time to look back at some new thinking around KYC across the ASEAN region. Coming up soon, we'll be delivering the ability to use zero-knowledge proof to actually allow our customers to exchange personal information about personal data without exchanging personal information. We're really excited to bring this into market, and we'd love to hear from you. Eightwire is simply the only way to have automated, secure, and scalable data aggregation. We have a team here in Singapore that is on the ground working with customers in region. And so like Libby, please come to us with your data problems. We'd love to hear from you and help you succeed. Thank you.